Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream perfectly. Start with chilled cream and cold tools to ensure proper whipping. Use heavy cream with at least 35% milk fat and add sugar to taste. Whip on medium speed until soft peaks form, then increase speed briefly for firm peaks. Watch closely to avoid overwhipping, and chill the bowl if needed to slow the process and keep texture light. Chill your mixing bowl and beaters for 10 to 15 minutes before starting to help the cream thicken faster. Pour 1 cup of heavy cream and add sugar or alternative sweetener a little at a time for better control. Use medium speed until you see soft peaks, then briefly increase speed to reach firm peaks. Always pause and check texture frequently to avoid turning the cream grainy or buttery during whipping. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes crumbs disappear while you finish your dessert, and its mapping keeps kitchens tidy without effort. It's a nice little kitchen sidekick when you're whipping cream or hosting. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Flavor additions work best at the soft peak stage, so they incorporate evenly without deflating the cream. To stabilize, gently fold in a small amount of cream cheese or a dissolved bit of gelatin according to package directions for longer hold. Keep whipped cream chilled in a sealed container and refresh texture with a quick whisk if needed. Use within 48 hours for best flavor and structure, and never leave whipped cream at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.